Ever wonder what happens after the cameras stop rolling on a reality dating show? Um, it's rarely a simple happily ever after, is it? Before we dive in, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy these updates. So, Farmer Wants a Wife contestant Eddy recently revealed a new chapter. Weeks following the broadcast of her split with Farmer Alex, she's shared some heartwarming photos. The Queensland lawyer introduced Mathis, an Australian-based Frenchman, as her new partner on Instagram. Pictures show the couple looking very happy together. Eddy's furry friend, Whiskey, also made a charming appearance in the pictures. It seems like everyone is getting along wonderfully. She playfully noted that Mathis had been incredibly supportive, even through the slightly awkward experience of watching her date another man on television. The announcement followed Eddy and Alex's confirmation during the show's reunion episode. They parted ways soon after filming wrapped up. Alex made a dramatic exit, believing Eddy was his future. Their connection, though, proved complex for viewers. Differing views on religion sparked questions about their long-term compatibility. Alex felt strongly drawn to her initially. Rumors of the separation surfaced before the reunion aired. Alex revealed Eddy started distancing herself before ending things in a brief call. He was left feeling confused, hoping they could work through their issues. He sought closure during the televised discussion. Despite the outcome, Alex maintained no regrets about choosing Eddy or leaving with her. Their initial chemistry felt right at the time. Eddy offered a different perspective. A post-show road trip raised doubts about true compatibility for her. She realized continuing would be unfair to both of them. Alex seemed more intense, and they were fundamentally different people. And so their contrasting views on religion became an obstacle. Alex didn't want to raise, say, children with religious constraints. Eddy later realized her Christian faith was integral to her vision for the future. It was a core part of who she was. Alex felt Eddy ended things before they could truly try to make some kind of senses, fears weigh.
How long were they being
so it seems like sometimes even on the farm, love takes unexpected turns. Speaking of farms, why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.